guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for passing by and for clicking on this video. I am so excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you all an update on my Invisalign journey, and I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about Invisalign itself, what it is, how it works, and so far the results that I've gotten. Just feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already so that way you can stay updated when I post again. Wait, I don't even think that I introduced myself. Hey guys, my name is Tiffany. It is so nice to meet you. Let me give you guys a hug. I'm so sorry I'm so rude. Let me give you guys a hug. How are you doing today? Good? I know I'm like a little bit too hyper right now, but I'm like excited. I'm gonna be sharing with you all I'm gonna be sharing with you all like the progress that I made on my teeth. I feel so free. I can like smile and I don't even feel that insecure, and it's not even done yet, but it's okay guys, it's okay. Let's one thing at a time. Just before we continue on with this video, just be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I think that's about it. Yeah. Let's get right into this video. Okay, so to start off, I did actually post a video a few months ago back when I first got Invisalign, and it's basically a video talking a little bit about why I got Invisalign and the process and how it works, and just overall my first experience, my first time getting Invisalign. And now I believe it's been January, February, March, April, May. It's been about 4 months since I've had Invisalign.
So basically Invisalign, they are clear aligners. So now you do go through a sequence of different trays, and each tray you go through, it is designed to put pressure on your teeth, moving them as time goes by to a greater appearance and attractiveness of your teeth, just overall a better smile. Now it's very similar to braces, but the only difference is Invisalign, you cannot see them and you can also remove them, whereas with braces, you can see them and you cannot remove them. It's another route you can take to get a better smile.
So in my story, I did actually used to wear braces. However, I did not keep up with my retainer, and with time my teeth did end up shifting, and I hated it. It was a huge insecurity that I had, and I'm like, oh no, I have to do something about this. And so I finally was able to do something about it and get Invisalign. I thought about it for a very long time, and I couldn't be happier that I did it, because I'm slowly but surely seeing the results, and I'm very happy. So I do actually have 21 trays, so now everyone's story is different. Some people are given 32 trays, some people have 18, some people have 21, like in my case. It all depends. But each tray that you have, each tray that you go through, you wear it for 1 week. Of course, well actually when I first got my Invisalign, the first week, the first tray that I had, I wore them for 2 weeks because my ortho wanted me to get used to wearing my retainers and just basically get used to like the whole concept. And till this day, sometimes I do still get like a little lisp, and like my words, they just like get like a little bit like stumbled upon, but other than that, it was very easy for me to get used to it. And trust me, in the beginning, it may feel like you're not seeing any results, like, are my teeth moving? I don't see anything. But trust me, hon, they're moving. So like I was saying before, each tray, it's designed in a way during that 1 week, it will shift your teeth. Even if it's just like literally like slowly, it's moving. And then once you move on to the next tray, that next tray, you're gonna feel a bit of pressure because it is going to move your teeth slowly, but it's working. It's getting its job done. Now I am on my 11th tray, and about 2 weeks ago, before I got this tray on, they actually had to shave in between my teeth. Actually, let me take these off so I can show you. I wish I had a mirror, but I don't think I need a mirror anymore. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so they basically shaved in between my bottom teeth here. So they shaved here, and then they also shaved here and here, I believe. they basically just, they had to shave in between the my teeth so that way there would be more space for my teeth to move. And that it was like a little bit uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. It was like really uncomfortable when they did it, but it wasn't anything that I'm just like, oh my god, I'm like panicking. I'm like, this chair, it's just very uncomfortable. But other than that, it wasn't bad, it doesn't hurt. Let me put these back on, I gotta keep these on. Hold on. Yeah, so once you're putting your trays on, you just need to make sure that they're clicking in correctly, that you hear that snap, and you should have your trays on at least 22 hours out of the day. At least that's what my ortho recommends, and from most of the videos that I've seen here on YouTube and just like in general, they all say the same thing. You should have your aligners on at least 22 hours out of the day, and the other 2 hours they're for you to eat and basically to brush your teeth and everything. One thing that I do recommend when it comes to cleaning your retainers, you are actually given these cleaning crystals. You can see it. Cleaning crystals. Okay. It's blurry. No. Okay. Cleaning crystals. So now basically how this works is you just get like a little small bowl or a little container. You fill it in with water. It doesn't matter if it's warm or cold. Just fill it in with water. Or actually, I don't think it matters. I just like put neutral like temperature water. So it doesn't. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I just dropped them. What? Oh! Oh! It got in my eye! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my goodness.
A few moments later.
Okay, I think I'm good. Oh my god, that's so scary because this is not good if it gets in your eyes. Okay, this is where I end up panicking. Okay, I literally took it out. Oh my god, what is this? This is just me freaking out. This is just me freaking out. What does it say? Forget. Avoid getting an eyes. Avoid getting an eyes. Huh. Okay, it just says, okay, just don't digest it. Just don't put in mouth, no nothing. Okay, it just went in my eye. We're good, people. I'm not gonna die. I'm such a drama queen. I am so sorry. So basically what I recommend is while you're eating, just put your aligners to soak in these cleaning crystals. And I leave them to soak in there for about 15 minutes or so. You should clean your aligners with the crystals at least 2 to 3 times a week. At least that's what my ortho recommended me. Moving on to... I don't even know what I'm moving on to. So, okay, well, let's just talk a little bit about like the progress like that I see so far in my teeth. So, one thing about my teeth, my story, is that my bottom teeth were super shifted. I mean, it was really bad. It was definitely, like I mentioned before, a really big insecurity. There were moments where I would be talking to someone and I feel like I need to change the way that I speak because I feel like I just like saw their eyes going down to like looking at my teeth, and it was probably really just all in my head, but it was because it was something that I was insecure about. It was something that I felt like everyone noticed when probably they didn't even notice at all. But the whole point of it is that it's not about what other people think, but it's about how I felt. And it didn't make me feel very well. And sometimes I feel like it would hold me back a lot from sometimes even recording a video on like my social media. Sometimes I felt like it would hold me back from like filming something because I know I had to talk in front of the camera, and then after I would look at the footage and I'm just like, oh, I don't like, you know, how my teeth look, and then I just wouldn't upload anything at all. And I know it seems like something so small, but to me, I knew that I needed to do something about it, and now that I finally did something about it, I'm happy with the change that I've been seeing, because although my bottom teeth are still not fully straight. They're getting there. So I think that the tooth that has been moving the most out of all the bottom ones is this one. Because I'll post the before photo just to show you guys how my teeth look like when, I think this was like the day that I was getting Invisalign or the day after that I got Invisalign, I don't remember, and then how they look now. Now I know maybe it may not look like a big deal, but trust me, it's big. It's only been, I believe, like 4 months. I'm on my 11th tray, and I was actually given, let me not show my patient number. So here is my tray that I begin next week, which is the 21st. And then over here, I have my 28th. What? I only have 21 trays. This one is my 13th tray. So I do have both of them here. You can actually see them. And what they would look like. And it's just, it's really exciting because 13 and I only have 21. And you know, it's really crazy because I thought that I was going to have Invisalign for like 2 years or something. I'm supposed to be done with my Invisalign treatment in August. And it wasn't really, how many months was it? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, 7 months. So overall, I'm just like very happy and really excited to see the final results once I'm done with my Invisalign treatment. I know there have been many of you who have been messaging me, telling me that you're thinking of getting Invisalign, you're going to get Invisalign in like a week from now, or like, did it hurt, Tiffany? How's your progress going? So I get really excited whenever I hear that you guys are thinking of getting it or that you're going to get it, because I know what it's like to feel that way. I know what it's like to be a bit insecure about your smile, or even just like talking to people sometimes, or being in front of the camera, or just simply wanting a better smile, you know, and just having that little, because it definitely will boost your confidence a bit. If that's the case for you, you know, because I know that sometimes having that insecurity, it can really affect you, and I know what it feels like. But if you're someone that you're going to get Invisalign, congratulations. I am so excited for you. I am so happy. Send me photos. Feel free to DM me. Let me know how's it going for you. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, DM me, like, you know, show me, share with me your progress. And yeah. I know everyone has a different experience when it comes to Invisalign. Some people have a great experience and they like their final results. Other people are not happy with their experience and they don't like their final results. It just really depends on you. So if you're someone that you're thinking of getting Invisalign, just do your research first. That's what I did. I looked into different orthos in my area or close to my area. And it's a little progress, but once you like feel like you're ready for it and you found the right place and you're ready to start the progress, trust me, like so far, based off my experience, I'm very happy, I'm very pleased, and I'm excited for the final results. And hopefully if you get it, or if you have it, or you're gonna get it next week, hopefully you're also happy with your results as well. And before I forget, I do always carry this plastic baggie. I keep my toothbrush, toothpaste in it, and I also keep like a little mouthwash, because of course whenever you go out, if you're going out to eat or even to school, lunch, work, just in general, you should always carry this around with you, because when you eat, after you're done eating, of course you're going to want to make sure your mouth is clean before you put your aligners on. Literally, I never leave the house without this, so if you're going to be part of the Invisalign crew, get ready, because you will need this. And that is all what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for passing by and for clicking on this video and for wanting to hear a little bit of my journey, my Invisalign journey. I will be posting in the future my final results, or even if you guys want me to keep on posting my progress, I don't mind. Just comment down below if you would like me to do that. Also comment down below if you are someone that you are thinking of getting Invisalign, or maybe you already got Invisalign or you're going to start it. Comment down below, how is your journey going? How is the whole experience of Invisalign going for you? I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, sleep, day at work, school, whatever you might be doing today, going to the park, enjoying, I don't know, or keep on watching YouTube videos, whatever you might be doing. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Don't let anyone or anything steal your joy. You are beautiful, you are amazing, you are full of purpose, and you have so much to offer. You are full of talent. Never forget that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.